What the hell?
The minimum temperature was 3 degrees on March 14th. The average temperature was 45.0
What the hell?
2 degrees above the normal average temperature of 44.8 degrees. A total of 10.90 inches.
What the hell?
Fell, which is 1.01 inches above the normal amount of 9.89 inches. A total of 13.4 inches snow fell during the period, which is 1.0 inch above the normal amount of 12.4 inches.
What the hell?
The deepest snow depth observed was 7 inches and occurred on March 12th, April 13th, and April 14th. There were 1,859 heating degree days, which is 34 below the normal amount of 1,893 days. There were 39 cooling degree days this period, which is 5 above the normal amount of 34 days.
Whoa.
The mean wind for the period was 13 miles per hour. The maximum wind gust was 50 miles per hour from the northeast and occurred on March 31st.
What the hell? What the hell was that, Lacrosse?
Weather Radio WXK 41 in Rochester, broadcasting on a frequency
Oh my god.
of 0.475 megahertz.
Oh my god, Lacrosse, what the actual hell was that?